scene in Filipino comedies is when a character bathes and suddenly, in the middle of washing his hair, water runs out. The scene is often being laughed about, but it is not a laughing matter when it happens to us. Unfortunately, the situation is very true in most parts of the country. Let us first look into the current water situation in the Philippines. The Philippines has an adequate supply of fresh water, with nearly 3/4 of the land area being considered as watershed areas. Water demand in the Philippines is mainly utilized for agriculture. The industrial and domestic sector come in second and third. However, contamination and overexploitation of over half of the utilized water supply further intensifies the water shortage and contributes to the lowering of water quality. A recent report by the Department of Environment and Natural Resources on January 2010 shows that climate change further aggravates the water shortage problem in the country. Though the Philippines is in abundance with watershed areas, regionally speaking, there is an uneven distribution of viable water sources for different parts of the archipelago. Everyone needs water. But the sad truth is that only a small percentage of the Filipino population has access to clean and abundant water supply. The water available to most is almost always inadequate or unsanitary. Fortunately, there are initiatives being pioneered to address the situation. The Congressional Commission on Science and Technology and Engineering, headed by Senator Edgardo J. Angara and Representative Joseph Emilio Abaya, together with its members, Senator Pia Cayetano, Senator Aquilino Nene Pimentel, Senator Ramon Bong Revilla Jr., Representative Juan Edgardo Sonny M. Angara, Representative Magtanggol Gunigundo, Representative Florencio Bem G. Noel, Representative Mariano U. Piamonte, the Aurora Special Economic Zone Authority, or ASEZA, in cooperation with the University of the Philippines Institute of Civil Engineering and the local government of Aurora presents Water Watch, Wise Adaptation of Technologies for Clean H2O. This initiative aims to improve water sourcing, sanitation, and distribution through effective partnerships and collaborative endeavors with the public and private sectors, especially in utilizing technologies to mitigate the looming water crisis. These pioneering initiatives will be field-tested in the Aurora province and will serve as a model for other provinces in the Philippines. New and innovative technologies will be used to bring this vision to fruition. By utilizing specialized pumps and new filtration systems, supply of adequate potable water will be made available to a larger percentage of the population. In more urbanized and industrialized areas, wastewater treatment becomes a real and pressing issue. About 90% of an urban individual's daily water consumption becomes wastewater. Compound this with the wastewater from industrial plants and factories, and we have a grim picture of any city's water cycle, no matter how big or small. Luckily, there are existing technologies for recycling water. Gray water, recycled water, and industrial water may be utilized for a myriad of other uses. These and more technologies will be pioneered for Aurora in varying scales. The Aurora province, though wealthy when it comes to natural water sources, has to address the matter of proper distribution, water sanitation, and the possibility of water exportation. Aurora has key areas abundant in water supply. Locations such as Maria Aurora, San Luis, and Dinalungan get their water supply at nearby rivers, waterfalls, and springs. Mainit Spring and Ditinagyan Falls are among the main sources of water for Kasiguran. Baler gets a portion of its water supply at a spring at Ligisit, Barangay Zabali, while currently drilling is being done at Sitio Kinalapan, Barangay Pingit, to tap the local underground reservoir. Aurora is also endowed with artesian, free-flowing, and deep wells, in addition to pitcher pumps as sources of potable water for the residents. Looking into the future for the wise adaptation of technologies for clean water, WaterWatch aims to showcase the Aurora model when it comes to water utilization and water security. That said, it is anticipated that the advancements shall benefit vast and growing agricultural lands and industries, the industrial sector, and of course, the ever-increasing populace in local Filipino communities. In the long run, water sources in demand shall be distributed evenly, in line with the needs of the province and its neighboring areas, and perhaps with proper technology may even come to augment the water demand in Mega Manila. WaterWatch, exploring new systems and technological solutions to the water crisis.